want Mama to kiss you?
No.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You wanna talk to Fizz? Say morning, Fizz. Where are you going?
I'm going to the pool.
No, not to the pool.
I'm going
to the beach. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Today Thailand, I decided that, well, you know, we have a full day ahead of us. So why not go to the beach instead of the pool? To the big beach. Go on. So bags all packed with food and snack, and we are heading to the beach to have a good day. Just Tyler and I, because it's hot, it's sunny, it's a beautiful day, not to go to waste, and today's my only full day off. So why not just go to the beach and call it a day? So big boy's ready, Mama's ready, and we're out. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys make today productive, make it awesome, make it wonderful, do something that make you happy. And we are heading to the beach because that's what makes us happy. So that's what we're doing today, and we are going to stay as long as ever and enjoy the water and soak up every moment. Baby's still in Paris. I'm sure you guys will see a little of him every now and then throughout today's vlog. But have a good day, you guys. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay positive, and come along for the ride with us today in today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time watching, please don't leave unless you subscribe. Have a good day, enjoy today's vlog, and we'll catch you guys at the beach.
Mama,
Yes?
We're
going to the beach. Let's go. We made it to the beach, and the beach is full of people. We find a really cool spot. The water is right in front of us. Let me show you guys how close we are. That's it. And it smells very beachy. You're gonna take off your shirt and put on sunscreen? Alright, let's do that. Tyler is just so ready to get in. No? Are you ready for lunch? No. Okay. Yeah. I'll pack up my bag of all these. I need to put sunscreen on you right now. Don't lose them, okay? Let me put sunscreen on you. Sausage and bring hot dog bread, so we're gonna make some hot dogs right on the beach. You want hot dog?
No.
No?
I think chips. Ketchup.
Wait. Jamaican. Y'all don't mind me, okay? I'm just minding my own business, making lunch. Give me the ketchup.
Can you have some chips?
Yes. Big bite. I'm sure if I didn't make lunch, I'd have to bite anyway, so no shame in my game, okay? No shame in my game. Can you tell we're happy? It's all that matters. Hello. Don't just eat the sausage, please. Eat the bread and the sausage. Hold on. Come up some more. Come up here. He's loving the water, every bit of it. Water feels so good. We're having so much fun. You're having fun? Yeah. Tyler don't want to leave the water one bit. He's having snack right now. I think Jen is on her way to look for Tyler, but she's not gonna get to go in the water because she has to head to the airport to pick up her son. So yeah, we're just here having a good time, and it's really hot out. Tyler, who is that behind you? Wait, the stone's hot.
Sherry, how are you? Okay. You been in the water? You did?
His favorite is here. He had no idea she was behind him. never go to the beach without snack break. Well, after this then we're gonna head home. I think we've had enough.
Gone.
Auntie Jen is gone. Yeah, Auntie Jen came to see you, but she's gone. Yeah? I think we've had enough beach for today. It's almost 3 p.m. and we've been here since 12. So I think that's a good 3 hours. We're gonna head home right now. Yeah? Auntie Jen is gone. Yeah, she'll see you later. Okay? Yeah, you tell her, Mwah. Anyway, you guys, while he's going crazy over Auntie Jen, we're gonna head home. Who's that? Who's that? That's Fizz? Yeah? Yes. Yes.
Can I have a water, please?
Can you have water, please? Yeah. You don't want Mama to kiss you? Alright! Stop now!
Mama,
Why?
because you move.
Why should I move? So one day you want to kiss me up and one day you don't want to kiss me?
No, move. Look, you watch Blaze, Mama. Watch Blaze.
Okay, I'm watching Blaze. I guess my biggest fear is coming through. My biggest fear has finally came through. He's pushing me away already, telling me move. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop now. Can you stop now? I won't kiss you anymore. Mama is very sad. You want Mama to cry?
Yeah.
You don't want to kiss Mama?
You cry.
Why?
Like this.
You want me to cry like that?
Yeah.
Tyler don't want to kiss me. I don't want your water. I want kiss. No. Mwah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my god, this little boy is something else. You guys, my kid is hilarious. Tyler and I have a burnt out day. Can you guys tell? Let me show you guys my burn. You guys see that tan line? Look at my neck. And I wasn't even in the, well, I was in the sun while in the water, but when I was out of the water, I wasn't in the sun. And I completely got burnt. And Tyler also got tan. He got a cute little tan going on.
Mama,
Mama just want one kiss.
no. Watch Blaze, Mama. Watch Blaze move. Watch
Mama's gonna cry.
No, you're happy. Dad, you're happy.
After I get the kiss, I'll be happy. Kiss me and then I'll be happy. See?
Mama?
Yes? I'm happy now. Anyway, you guys, yeah, we have a burnt out day, and for that reason we are going to bed early. That's all you guys gonna see from us tonight. There will be no babe because babe have a long day today at work, and he's actually out eating right now and going to head back in to get some rice, so he didn't really get to vlog and stuff. Thank you, it's yummy. C'est bon. No more. Thank you. Thank you. So you guys unfortunately won't see babe today, but it's okay. You guys will see him tomorrow because he'll be coming home.
Tablet.
No, Mama don't want to watch tablet. Mama talking to the face. Because baby will be coming home back to us where he belongs, okay? Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time to the Fam Bam, don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys don't know who my husband is, who the wonderful king of this castle is, then go and watch the previous vlog, and then you guys will know who is babe. Because baby won't be in this vlog because he's away and he didn't get to vlog today, as I said previously.
Watch Blanny, Mama.
Okay, Mama watching Blanny. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch and keep up with the Fam Bam, and we'll see you guys. Yes, Snake. Say tomorrow, face.
Tomorrow, face.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Give me a kiss. Mwah.